Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, can you believe it? Tell me where this wig is hiding and tell me this is not my actual natural hair. Like guys, I'm so blown away by this wig. This one is called Rainmaker by Sensationnel, and this is their textured half wig. It's curls and kinks and co, all curl types from 3B to 4C. And they got this spot on, guys. Texture wise, yes, it feels like kinky, coarse, blown out type hair. Obviously it's synthetic, but we are not complaining about that because they still got the texture right. Now you probably will hear Seb in the background because he's sitting right here watching Bananas in Pajamas. I'm hoping that he'll stay as quiet as possible, but you might hear him from time to time. Hashtag mum life. Anyway, so I decided to get this wig because I was actually thinking of getting one of the finger comber units. There's one, what was it called? I can't remember, but I'll insert the picture here. But anyway, when I did the conversion, because everything's in US dollars and I'm in Australia, so I always have to convert, it ended up coming to about $200, including shipping, and it's a synthetic unit. Now this one is also a synthetic unit, but it is nowhere near $200 because I would not pay $200 for a synthetic unit. I think this one came to under 40 Australian dollars, so very affordable. And as you can see, it speaks for itself. This hair literally matches with my hair. I've got my hair just out in the front here. My hair has been blow dried and that's it. I haven't straightened it, but it blends in perfectly. Now the wig is very light. It's not very like heavy in terms of density, but as you can see, it is full and you can't see anything underneath. It covers everything that it needs to cover. Like I said, texture wise, it's spot on. It's even cute with these little curls at the bottom. I just combed it out a little bit, but it does come like with some tong curls. But yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. Obviously it does shed because it is synthetic, but I mean, with the price you're paying, you can get a couple of these bad boys, and that's probably what I will do. This is one of those units that you want to get a couple of them because you're gonna absolutely love them. And you know, when one gets old, you want to just grab the next one. I feel like this is going to be a staple for me now because, like I said in the very first video from this series, I am getting over like wigs in a lot of ways. This is a half wig, so this is like a throwback for me from back in the day when I used to wear wigs, like I said, from Hair Sisters. But yeah, obviously the wigs have improved. They're listening to their customers. They're getting the textures better. Yeah, this is amazing. So this is going to be a staple for me because I am liking wearing my natural hair a lot more. But with this being a half wig, I can braid some of it away and just, you know, pop this wig on, still have like a natural hairline, but I can still style it because obviously if I leave my hair around all the perimeter, I can put it up, you know, I can do half up, half down. Yeah, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of styling options with this, but it also looks cute just like this. So I am super happy with this wig, but yeah guys, I'm absolutely loving it. What else can I say? There's another one called, I think, Boss Lady, but it is a shorter wig. This one's got a bit more length. I would say it's probably about 14-ish inches, you know, if you were to stretch it out. But as you can see, the style is one where it's curled at the bottom. But yeah guys, you got to tell me what you think about this wig. Tell me it is not natural. Tell me it is not my own hair. I didn't have to do a lot of manipulation to my own hair. I blow dried it on a low cool-ish setting. That was pretty much it. And I've just been wearing it like in a high bun, putting a ponytail extension. So that's how I've been wearing it until I got this wig, and I tried it on today, and I'm going to be rocking this at least for the next week. Until I get bored and I want to do something else, because I do get bored with my hair as well. But this kid, seriously, can you guys hear him? He just refuses. Like, I'm literally talking for a few seconds and stopping because he's doing that. But anyway guys, that's all. If you want to see how I put it on, it was super easy again. Keep watching. But also guys, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Please give it a thumbs up if you like these types of videos so I can do more of them. Anyway, I'm going to keep going because Seb is not about to start talking anytime soon. So keep watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Blow everyone a kiss. Mwah. Give everyone a high five. And give everyone a pound. Good boy. Okay, bye.